Hi guys, today we will solve problems based on work done. Here is the first problem. Find the work done in moving a particle in the force field F bar equal to 3x square into I bar plus J bar plus ZK bar along the straight line from 0, 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3, and we have to find the work done. So what is the work done in moving a particle in the force field F bar, which is integral F bar dot dr bar. So let's see. So let's start the solution. Given f bar equal to 3x square into I bar plus j bar plus zk bar. So here there is no need to convert these f bar in terms of x or in terms of y, because here the question doesn't give any curve line. So here is the only line that is from 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3. So how can we calculate? Let's see. So f bar dot dr bar is what? Here is the f bar, which is 3x square into I bar plus j bar plus zk bar dot dx into I bar plus dy into j bar plus dz into k bar. So after dot product, what we get is 3x square into dx plus 1 into dy, which is dy plus z into dz. So finally, we get f bar dot dr bar is 3x square into dx plus dy plus z into dz. So you can see here this f bar dot dr bar you can easily integrate, because here you can see the first term doesn't contain any y terms or z terms. It is only x terms. So we can easily integrate by taking the limits of x, which are 0 to 2, and here you have only dy terms, and there is no x term and z term. So you can easily integrate these dy by taking the integrals of y, which are from 0 to 1, and here also z into dz, which are only z terms. So we can easily integrate by taking the z limits from 0 to 3. Let's see how can we integrate. So integral f bar dot dr bar. So the line is from 0, 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3. So f bar dot dr bar is what? 3x square into dx plus dy plus z into dz. So let's separate integration to these terms. So we get is 0 to 2 3x square dx, because integrals of x are 0 to 2 plus integral dy. So the limits of y is 0 to 1 and plus integral z dz. So the z limits are 0 to 3. So it is easier in this problem, because we have the f bar dot dr bar as separate x terms and y terms and z terms. So we can easily integrate. Let's see. So 3 into x square. So integral x square is what? X cube by 3. So integral of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is 2. So x power 2 plus 1, which is x cube by n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 into x cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 2 plus integral dy, which means integral 1 dy is y. So from 0 to 1 plus integral z dz is z square by 2. So here is z power n. So z power n is n equal to 1. So z power n plus 1, which is z power 1 plus 1, which is z square by n plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So the z square by 2 from the 0 to 3. So let's substitute the limits. Here we have 0 to 2. So first substitute the upper limits. So 2 cube minus lower limit 0 cube, which is 0. Here you can cancel here 3 and here 3. So those are cancelled out. We have only x cube. So that's why after substituting we got is 2 cube minus 0 plus, in the place of y we have to substitute 1. So 1 minus and 0. So in the place of y we have to substitute the lower limit, which is 0. So 1 minus 0. And here we have 3 square by 2 minus 0 by 2 which is 0. So we get is here 2 cube is 8 and plus 1, and here we have 3 square which is 9 by 2 minus 0 which is 9 by 2. So you can see here we after LCM we get is, if you take the LCM as 2, so 2 8 16 and 2 1s 2 plus 9, so we get 16 plus 2 plus 9 by 2. So 16 plus 2 is 18 and 18 plus 9 is 27 by 2. We got work done in moving a particle for the force field F bar is 27 by 2. So what have we done is we take the F bar dot dr bar, and after F bar dot dr bar we integrate them and we got 27 by 2. Let's start the second problem. Here is the second problem. Find the work done in moving in a particle in the force field F bar equal to 3x square into I bar plus 2zx minus y into j bar plus zk bar along the curve defined by x square equal to 4y and 3x cube equal to 8z from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2. So we have to find out the work done, which is integral f bar dot dr bar. So you can see here the limits are x limits which are from x equal to 0 to 2. So we have to convert these f bar in terms of x. So let's see. So the solution is given f bar equal to 3x square into I bar plus 2zx minus y into j bar plus zk bar, and the curves are x square equal to 4y and 3x cube equal to 8z. So we have to convert f bar in terms of x. So f bar is 3x square into I bar plus 2zx minus y into j bar plus zk bar. But here you can see we have y term and z terms in these functions, which are in functions f2 and f3. So here we have z. So we have to substitute z in terms of x. How can we got this from this curve? So the curve is 3x cube equal to 8z. So we have z equal to 3x cube by 8. So for calculating the z in terms of x, we use this curve. So from this curve, z is equals to, here 8 is comes here. So we got z equal to 3x cube by 8. So that's why we get z as 3x cube by 8 into x minus y. So y is what? Y is x square by 4. How can we got this from this curve? So the curve is x square equal to 4y. So y equal to x square by 4. So we can get this y in terms of x. So y is x square by 4 into j bar plus z is what? 3x cube by 8 plus 3x cube by 8 into k bar. So finally we got f bar in terms of x. So f bar equal to 3x square into I bar plus, here we after cancellation, so 2 4s 8, so 3 by 4 into x cube into x, which is x power 4 minus x square by 4 into j bar plus 3x cube by 8 into k bar. So finally we got f bar in terms of x. Now we have to calculate dr bar also in terms of dx. Here is dx, but here is dy and dz. So we use in for dy we use the curve x square equal to 4y and y is x square by 4. So derivative of y x square by 4 into j bar plus derivative of z is 3x cube by 8. So that's why here we have 3x cube by 8 into k bar. Now dx into I bar plus, so 1 by 4 is constant, so that is written outside, and derivative of x square is what? 2x into dx into j bar plus, here we have 3 by 8, so 3 by 8 is written outside, and derivative of x cube is 3x square, and derivative of x cube is 3x square into dx into k bar. So finally we got dr bar equal to dx into I bar plus x by 2 into dx into j bar plus 9 by 8, which is 3 into 3 is 9 by 8 x square into dx into k bar. So finally we got f bar in terms of x and dr bar also in terms of x, that is dx. So let's integrate these two vectors. So integral f bar dot dr bar. So f bar is what? Here, dot dr bar is here. Now after dot product we got is 3x square into dx plus 3 by 4 into x power 4 minus x square by 4 into x by 2 dx plus 3x cube by 8 into 9 by 8 x square dx. Because after dot product we take the, for calculating the dot product we use the only coefficients of I bar and j bar and k bar, because I in dot product I bar is 1 and j bar is 1 and k bar is 1. So we multiply only the coefficients of I bar, j bar and k bar. So after dot product we get this. Now let's simplify it. 3x square into dx. Here we have x by 2, so let's multiply x by 2 into this term. So 3 by 8, which is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is 3 by 8. 4 2 is 8, so that's why here we have 8. X power 4 into x, which is x power 5 minus x square into x, which is x cube, and 4 2 is 8, plus here we have 3 9s 27 and 8 8s 64 into x cube into x square, which is x power 5, and we take the dx from these terms as common. So we got finally this after simplification. Next we have to integrate these terms. So integral from, the integrals are from 0 to 2, because here these terms are in terms of x, so that's why we take the integral 0 to 2. So 3x square, so 3 into the integral of x square is what? X cube by 3 plus 3 by 8 into integral of x power 5 is x power 6 by 6 minus integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4. Here we have 8, so here we have 8, that's why here we have 8 plus 27 by 64 into x power 5, and the integral of x power 5 is x power 6 by 6, and we have to substitute the integrals from 0 to 2. Generally the integral of x square x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that's why here we have 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 3, and here also 5, so 5 plus 1 which is 6 by 5 plus 1, which is 6, and here also 3, so 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 3 plus 1, which is 4, and here we have 5, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 5 plus 1 6. So we got is here is 3x cube by 3 plus 3 by 8 into x power 6 by 6 minus x power 4 by 8 into 4 plus 27 by 64 into x power 6 by 6. Now here to substitute the upper and lower limits. Let's substitute the upper limit. So here we have x cube, so first we have to substitute upper limit, which is 2 cube minus x cube, which is 0, so 0 cube is 0, so 2 cube minus 0, and here the 3 and 3 are cancelled out, and here we have 3 by 8 6 48, so that's why we have 3 by 48 and 2 power 6 here. After substituting upper limit minus 0, and here we have minus 1 by 32 into 2 power 4 minus 0 after substituting upper and lower limits, and plus 27 by 64 into 6. Here we have 2 power 6 minus 0, because the lower upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 0, so 2 power 6 minus 0 after cancellation we have is 3 16s, that is 1 by 16 here, and here we have 3 9s and 3 2s, that's why here we have 9 by 128. Next is Finally, we got integral f bar dot dr bar equal to 8 plus, which is 2 cube is 8 plus 1 by 16 into 2 power 6 minus 1 by 32 into 2 power 4, which is 16 plus 9 by 128 into 2 power 6. Here you can see 2 power 6 is 64. So 64 by 16, which can be cancelled out. So 16 fours. So 4 here. Here we have 16 by 32. So minus 1 by 2 plus 2 power 6 is 64. So 64 here. So 64 2's we got is 9 by 2 here. So equal to 8 plus 4 is 12, and if you take the LCM as 2, so 9 minus 1 by 2, which is 8 by 2, and the 8 is cancelled out by 2, so 2 fours 8, so 12 plus 4, which is 16. So we got work done is integral f bar dot dr bar equal to 16. Here are the practice problems, and the first problem is you have to find out the work done for the force F bar moves a particle from origin to 1 comma 1. Origin means 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 1 along a parabola, which is y square equal to x. So you can see here the limits are 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 1. Those are x and y limits. So you can convert F bar in terms of x and dr bar in terms of dx, then calculate integral f bar dot dr bar and take the limits x limits which are 0 to 1. So can calculate the work done by calculating integral f bar dot dr bar. And next, the second problem is also same. Here also f bar, and the limits are 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 4, and the curve y equal to 4x square. So convert these f bar in terms of x and dr bar also in terms of dx by using this curve, and take the limits of x which are 0 to 1, and then calculate the work done, which is integral f bar dot dr bar.